Hello everyone, today I will show you how to move raw in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and select your raw. Click on this raw serial number and select. I select multiple raw and click this one and see this. Press Ctrl and select second one and third one. See this. Now you can move your raw top and see this. Raw already moved. Also I move this one January and drag it and say this already moved and click this one and say this. Also you can select your dragging your mouse. Now you can move it and drag it and say this. Also move this one and drag it. Yeah. In this way you can move all of this row or a specific row. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.